Togochaka mwancho murigereria umugavana omukuru bwe county ya Kisii Musike James Ongwae nigo bono ritkoria rero anyara kura ababwatani aho kuroiga ase county ya Kisii na gutarira enka ya Nyagusira Musike Raila Amolo Odinga ase county iri ya Siaya nigo bono banyara kumutogia na boigo kutebona nigo abiru munyangongo na boigo uyu obete ka gutwara amaroro amaya gochase abakenya nekero umugavana omukuru Musike Ongwae anyara kumutogia na gutera nigo ari umurai obene na boigo kumuganiria anyara gutumuka ase omuremo murikito Daniel Ontiri na gutigorera sorobotioro
Oyomo haso yonde bakoragwa n'umugavana omukuru we county ya Kisii Musike James Ongwae Ubaikirana basanga na kolemia ya mati yenye gusira Raila Odinga uyue nigwa ekieta asenka yaye Bondo ase county ya Siaya ukwana chinga kechongwae nigo amurera nyagusira na komoteba kubumurai uringi bumukia na nigo aikirana ro nerombe yabamenyi kurwase county ya Kisii asekiribuna mbakorete miremamo chinga kyalinge okole miremo na mono chinga kyalingo mo prime minister.
We became very close with Raila. I worked in his office as an institutional advisor for many years. Then he appointed me his chief campaign manager in 2012 and I institutionalized his campaign office 2012-2013 campaign and after that, sought his permission for me to stand as governor Kisii County, which he gladly gave me and supported me. And I was governor for 10 years under his own party of ODM.
Omoteba huyuririte akara hasi miaka 10 uno mugavana we county ya Kisii wetera sogosukuma omorobolyo bubora which county.
Ours is to say that this is our journey as human beings. It's a journey that one must travel in this world. We must exit the world. Whatever we do is a journey that we must travel. For those who have left us, we wish that they travel with the Lord. And that's what we ask for the Jacom, and that's why all the people who came here from Kisii have wished that Jacom travels well, because he was a good man. He was a man who cried for this country. He was a man who fought for this country. He was a man who fought for the common man. He was a man who actually was the architect of the 2010 constitution, which made me a governor because it brought up the devolution system.
Asense mwende ya mati yenye gusira nigo yagokera yakorekiga kyubwanchani uboro kiwali tukulia lero kurasa bamenyi be county ya Kisii.
I'm happy that the people of Kisii have come in a large number. I know and it did that Bondo was somewhere near Udis. I know everybody would have been there, but it happens that Bondo is very far away, but still we are in a great number. I want to thank you for being here.
As much as Baba is my father, he's their father as well. Now that things have settled down, what we're saying is we are welcoming all Kenyans, everyone, to come pay their last respects to Baba. To come to Kango Kajaramo.
Magiga ya Ongwae ne timu ya nigo bagenderia hetaro wika sensemo asu Musike Nyagusira enetigwe bakora masabo na kubeka mauga bunenchiremo yokoroke maskani yabo yo mwelio na setari yoboigo mugavano iga umukoro hoena na chieri amatoke gati y'ibintu binde binge asoko twekera igikoro n'ichinchira cyokorera na kolemya baliye basiririgwe na bamwabo.
We are extremely sorry to the family and the bereaved family at large, and on behalf of the other team which is behind us, we pass our condolences to the family, and we only say that God to take charge and take control of this family.
Raila was a leader who really touched the lives of so many Kenyans. So as a people of Omogusi, we also felt the need to come and condole with the family. We also want to add Kenyans, let us pray for the family of our late leader so that the Lord may continue to comfort them and give them strength during these difficult times.
Korengana nenkwana yabara baiga kurwa sorogongo rogusi niko bagendere kumurera nyegusira Raila Odinga na komotebo kubumrai wirwete haso kurwanira ense ya Kenya. Nkurubadiriga taseni kya Getembe kuruga Poda Farm yigo toka Bondo ime county ya Siaya. Litere nenguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.